The Allegheny County District Attorney's Office is dealing with a cyber attack tonight. KDKA's Pintar spoke with the office today to find out what it means for ongoing trials in the county and what you need to know if you need to contact that office.
The attack happened last Thursday, and now days later, it is completely affecting the way the DA's office here is operating. No phone calls can come in or go out because they all go through the computer system, and of course it affects their email system as well. A stop to business as usual for Allegheny County District Attorney's Office. Somehow, someone or something managed to infiltrate the office's security protocols and target their entire computer system. Last Thursday night, the office was alerted by the Department of Homeland Security and the FBI that the cyber threat had taken place. The servers were instantly shut down.
Ultimately, they want to remediate that, put it in a certain area, do whatever they need to do to get rid of it. But it's important that they identify what has been affected because the thing is, by keeping it online, they're at high risk.
No small thing considering ongoing investigations, work done by detectives, staff members, and the court came to a screaming instant halt. I spoke with First Assistant to the DA's office, Rebecca Spangler, and she tells me this isn't a total shutdown of all the work they do there. Things are moving forward. For instance, 3 homicide trials are going on. It's just that anything that goes through their computers, including any worker email, even their central phone system, is all but frozen until investigators can get to the bottom of this attack. Now, what that means to anyone in the public that still needs to deal with the Allegheny County DA's office, a complete bypass has been set up so the office can still get emails and phone calls, but they will all temporarily go through a specially set up email address and specially set up phone numbers. We have that information for you. If you need to do any business with the DA's office, first via email, you can reach out to them at this email address, inquiry@AlleghenyCountyDA.us. Again, that's a specially created email address where emails will be read one by one and sent off to the necessary parties. Regarding placing phone calls, the office has set up 2 temporary phone numbers. They are 412-915-6914 or 412-879-7548. These will all be on KDKA.com for future reference. These calls will manually be answered. Again, there can be no voicemail as that went through the central computer. You will speak to a live person on the phone, and your request or information will be manually passed on to the necessary parties. As to when this shutdown will end, well, there's really no way to know because the investigation has to continue, and until that ends, the computer system can't go back up and running. In downtown Pittsburgh, Pintar, KDKA-TV News.